Hello, my name is Simon. I'm a cybersecurity engineer. But today we are going to do something literally different from what we've been doing. Today we are doing the unboxing of a Samsung monitor I got. I got it from Masoko Safaricom, and it's been on offer for quite a while. And I told myself that I'll get it. So it's a 27-inch 100 hertz IPS screen, and today we are going to be unboxing it, and just stay tuned and enjoy the unbox thereafter. So this is the packaging of the monitor. Let me just turn off some light here. Oh yeah, okay, I'll turn on this light. That one. So this is the controller can stay inside. So this is the packaging of the monitor. It's a 27-inch. It was delivered to me via G4S, and so we're here to unbox and see what Safaricom has for us. This monitor is retailing most of the places. It's retailing at around 24,000, but on Safaricom it's on a 50 off offer, which pushes it to around was it 12,000? Around 12,000. So you can see this is the packaging. And yes, some time ago I got this knife for myself due to aesthetics, but I think it's just found a new role. So why not? Okay, that's how we open it. Yeah, and let's get this. Okay, but my preserve. Yes, we are done. That's how our system looks like.